Hello everyone. This PhD positions are available at University of Engineering, studying engineering in USA with George Washington University. Doctoral students comprise the background of research conducted at School of Engineering and Applied Sciences through funding support from faculty, internal and external grants. Doctoral students can expect to take 4 to 6 years to complete the program through coursework, research credits, and writing their dissertation. We offer Doctor of Philosophy degree in 8 fields of engineering and computer science. So you can apply for biomedical engineering, civil and environmental engineering, computer engineering, computer science, electrical engineering, engineering management, mechanical, aerospace engineering, and system engineering. I will add the link in the description, but you need to watch this video to know about requirements and how we can apply for that scholarship. Application requirements: applicant must have bachelor's or master's degree in relevant field from the previous institution. Along with the online application, applicant must submit scanned copies of unofficial transcripts from each college or university attended, GRE exam scores, 3 letter of recommendation, resume, statement of purpose. International applicants must also submit a English language proficiency test scores. Funding your graduate education. The School of Engineering Applied Science offers funding opportunity for doctor's program, domestic and international students. In addition, we provided additional resources for funding opportunities available at other organizations which can be applied towards your studies at George Washington University. You can find more about funding here. You can click on that link. About School of Engineering and Applied Sciences. Today, George Washington University Engineering is ideally situated to take full advantage of today's advanced engineering, located in the heart of one of the largest and most comprehensive technology centers in the nation. We harness our strong connection to influential institutions to deliver unique combination of research, learning, and leadership experience. So you can visit their website, click here to know more about that scholarship and how you can apply for that scholarship. But we are getting that error here. But these are the funding, doctor funding information. You can take a look here. How to qualify, all the information is mentioned here. And you can also send an email to them here. You can also mention that you can't open that link, I don't know why, and they will respond to your queries. And yeah, here you can take a look about the funding information as well, how you can apply for the funding. Here you can click here to apply for that funding. And so this is the graduate admission and student service. So here you can apply for that, so you don't need to visit on that website. Here just you need to click and apply for that program here. And if you will need further information, you can send email to them. This is the email address. And if you will have any question related to application procedure, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll respond to your queries. Thank you so much for watching the video, and kindly guys subscribe to our channel if you want to hear more about scholarship videos. Take care and bye.